welcome back to East Coast UK. Today you join me at Flixton at the Norfolk and Suffolk Aviation Museum. It's closed at the moment and there's only certain days it's open, even in the summertime. There we are, museum reopen Wednesday the 19th of February. So not long to go, but anyway, we're here to obviously do some filming, so we don't need to be inside, but obviously we can see from the outside, well, from the air should I say, where obviously these aircraft used to spend all their life. Right, speak to you at the end. Bye bye for now. Filming all done by the Gloucester Javelin, I believe it's called. Lovely looking aircraft, especially from above, that was, must admit. And then we got a few more obviously aircraft here, which you obviously saw from up in the air. Getting a bit cold now. Was nice and bright and sunny earlier today, but now it's sort of starting to get a bit cold and getting on for 3 in the afternoon, so soon be dark. Hopefully we'll get back home before it does get dark. Right, as I said, come along. It's open in February again, and there we are. catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now.